Ask yourself this: how do I handle the challenging demands of the furniture industry, reduce complexity, and streamline all operations? The answer and solution is TRIMIT. TRIMIT is ERP designed for the furniture industry, tailored to power up your people and free you up to focus on core business. TRIMIT extends the solid foundations of Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central to handle product configuration through the whole supply chain. TRIMIT is role-based, highly configurable, and comes with the huge advantage of built-in industry knowledge. As a result, more than 9,000 users from great companies across the world get a personalized experience across all of their devices that allows them to work efficiently all the way from design to delivery. TRIMIT is a best-in-class end-to-end solution that supports internal and external communication, configuration of products, purchase and availability, omni-channel sales, logistics and inventory, manufacturing, service, finance and reporting. TRIMIT adds instant business value, integrate sales channels, follow product and process visibility in real time, take advantage of information and overview in decision-making, reduce costs of both product and operations, and always connect the right people, processes, and data. Don't settle for less. Enjoy an ERP experience that understands your industry and solves your challenges. Find out more about TRIMIT at trimit.com.